Hi guys, welcome back to Ultimate Gardening. So today I got a new sprouting video for you guys. So today I'm gonna go get into further details on what Espoma citrus tone is today. So there's gonna be a couple of series because I have a couple of fertilizers I want to go ahead and show you guys. So a huge shout out for Espoma because I love their company. Their products are amazing. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get to further details on what citrus tone is. So guys, we're in the first area right here. So you guys can see we're down below this huge avocado tree we have right here. As you guys know, this is citrus tone. Citrus tone is a plant food base for citruses and also avocados. Because here in the picture it has this picture of avocado, orange, a lime, and a lemon. So right here, this is a great example on where to use this. This is a humongous tree. So if I were to put it right here, I would sprinkle it all around the base. Or when it rains or when you can water it, it goes ahead and the fertilizer seeps in. So I really do want to show you guys how to do the fertilizing. So I got a way easier spot for you guys. So let's go ahead and move to that spot. So guys, this is the area right here. This is a lemon tree we have right here. So I'm going to show you guys how to fertilize so we could finish this video up for you guys. So right here, this is the base of the plant right there where the stem starts. So the thing I do, because I bought this newly. So the thing I do is grab like a little handful, like so, and just I sprinkle it around like so, and then I just mix it into the dirt like that. And if it's like a mature tree that will grow bigger, I prefer you do sprinkle a little bit more like so. And then you want to water it really thoroughly for the fertilizer to go and seep through down to the soil and into the plant's roots. So that's how you do it, guys. It's so simple, really easy. Also, Garden Answer did a more detailed explanation, so her video is going to be down below. Huge shout out to her. But yeah, so let's finish up this video for you guys. So guys, that's the end for this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, and if you want to support this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you don't miss none of my videos or miss any of these series, make sure to hit that bell notification so you don't miss none of these videos. So make sure to go check out Espoma's website. I'm gonna put it down below, and these are so great. I do recommend them. The fertilizer is really great. I really like it. The fertilizer is amazing. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.